Hello, Mr. Mena. My name's Dickie Bill Wagner with Media Magic Marketing and doing a screencast for you today to evaluate your Google rankings for wedding photographers in El Paso and seeing if there's any suggestions for you to rank even higher than you do. Looking at the Google Map pack, you're number two, and that's very good. So clicking on you, your information comes right up, how to contact you and that kind of thing. Your number two, Stefan Lemaire, is number one, and I'll show you his website. It's very well put together, and I'll show you some of the SEO things that he has, which is search engine optimization. He is doing like a website with 303 organic keywords, over 1,600 backlinks that refer people to his website, and he's doing pretty good. Another person that ranks pretty high on the organic search for Google, where you're not showing up at all, you just show up in the map pack, but there's an organic search after that, is Ed Lewis, and he's an El Paso photographer as well for weddings and such. This is his website, and his SEO is a lot less than Mr. Lemaire's, Stefan Lemaire's, and but he's ranking higher in the organic Google search, and this is why. These two numbers right here, the UR and the DR numbers, they fit closer together. Like if his number was 5 and the DR was 4, that would be even closer. But 5 and 0.09 are ranking him higher than Stephen Lemaire's at 31 and 7. He's got higher numbers, but these numbers are farther apart, so it's a little wonky with Google. I see that you're on Facebook, and that's a referring site for you, and Instagram. Those are great things. But if you had a website built with just a little bit of tweaking, could get you ranking higher than both Stephen Lemaire and Ed Lewis, and bring in more business. So every click through, let's look at what some of these organic keywords do. We'll go to Ed Lewis because he has less to look at. Organic keywords. You can see wedding photographer in El Paso. These 40 searches a month, and it's a little bit difficult to rank in that. It's a little bit higher. But El Paso Photography has 60 searches a month, and it's a lot easier to rank with this keyword difficulty. It's a lot easier to rank there. El Paso Wedding Photography, 10 searches a month. El Paso Portraits, 40. But you could put these kind of things in and drive business to your website and actually get leads that will make you more money as a wedding photographer. And that's where we're at with this. I hope it was helpful seeing what you're doing. It's really excellent that you're number 2 in the Google Maps, but we could get you in the organic ranking and actually drive traffic to your business. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's nice to talk to you. I hope you have a good day, and consider Media Magic Marketing for building a website for you.